So how do you stop sharing your fitness activity on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So essentially, you can open up your watch application like this, go to the fitness app, and on the main page, obviously, you're going to go through the circles and exercise minutes and whatnot, but on the main page, in the bottom left corner, you have the person icon. So you can go there and see the people that you are sharing your notifications, the activity with, right? So you can tap on the name of one of your friends like this, and you'll see their current stats. But if you scroll down on them like this, you can either hide my activity for them, right? And then just stop hiding the activity if you change that, or you can completely remove them as a friend, right? So the hiding activity is more of a temporary solution. Perhaps you don't want to do it for a period of time, but then you perhaps want to resume it. However, when you remove them as friend, you remove them as a, fitness or workout friend. It's not it doesn't affect some other things. But yeah, that way you can permanently stop sharing your fitness with other people. So that's how it works. Of course, you could do the same thing on the iPhone as well. You can just open up the fitness app and go to the sharing and perform the same thing. But on the Apple Watch, it works like this. So let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you later.